Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. Look at that, beautiful. Sherbet spiral. The Sherbet spiral. Outside with the pool water, sorry, getting rinsed out good. Nice, beautiful, bright, warm morning. Birds chirping, cars roaring by. To the inside. Get it unbanded. Look at that color hiding in there. Nice little striation. Good pattern. I love the Sherbet dyes. I didn't used to like that color pattern, but I've grown to love it. Oh, and for the person who keeps commenting about the dishes, these are dirty.
Those are clean.
Oh, they're clean now. They were dirty earlier.
Well, how did they clean them?
Sometimes they're dirty, sometimes they're clean. It just depends.
I just did all of it.
Yeah, last time they were dirty. They were dirty when I looked at them earlier.
We don't have a dishwasher.
No, that's that James.
I am the dishwasher.
Ooh, look at that. Wow. Look at all that color.
I like it.
Wow.
Wow. See like the little bits of yellow right there?
Oh yeah. Nice.
Beautiful.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spiral. Wonderful striation all throughout. Look at that. Sorry, it's a little windy out here, folks. Look at the front side. Oh, yeah. Doesn't get a whole lot better than that. This is our beautiful, beautiful dragon fruit, orange and yellow. Look at that. It just pops in the sunlight, man. Oh yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.